cheesy quesadilla.
Let's try the yummy quesadilla. So yummy and cheesy.
Add few teaspoons of oil and then add some onion. Saute it for a few minutes. Now add about a cup of chicken and saute it again. When it's cooked well, when the chicken is cooked well, add all the veggies, all colors of bell pepper, to make it nice and colorful. Saute again. And now it's time to add some salt. Salt as per taste. Add the required spices like the coriander powder, some cumin powder, some chili powder, some black pepper powder, and some herbs. Now we add a dash of ginger powder, a little bit of garlic powder, and some paprika. Mix and saute well. Now you can add some taco sauce. Now add some shredded cheese, like Mexican shredded cheese or mozzarella. I have added a Mexican shredded cheese right now. Mix it well and then transfer it. Let's keep this aside. Now let's get the tortillas ready. Put one tortilla in the pan, sprinkle some oil on it on both the sides and flip it. This makes the tortilla much softer. Now when you start preparing the quesadillas, first you can toast all the tortillas with some oil on both the sides and flip it so that you can keep them ready for the next step, which is filling the quesadillas. Now take one tortilla, put in some cheese of your choice, let it melt slightly, and next you put in the filling. Spread it out. Put a dash of cheese again over the filling and let it melt. Now top this up with another tortilla and let it sit for few seconds. Now flip it and look at the color here. Nice and golden. Flip it one more time. By now, the cheese must have melted inside and blended with the filling. Look at how cheesy it looks. Yum! The cheese has all melted. Now flip it a few more times till the cheese is completely melted. And the quesadilla is ready. Now let's slice it up. You can use a cutter. Cut it into 4 pieces or 6 pieces and enjoy a chicken quesadilla. So cheesy, yummy, ready to eat. Look how cheesy.
Let's try the yummy quesadilla. So yummy and cheesy.